Walk into any supplement store and it looks like every bottle promises better results. But do supplements actually build your body, or just your expectations? The supplement industry offers thousands of products. Some are useful. Many promise far more than science actually supports. No supplement replaces the basics. Your body still depends on nutrition, training, recovery, and consistency before any supplement can make a meaningful difference. Supplements are designed to supplement your diet, not replace it. If the foundation is weak, adding more supplements rarely solves the real problem. Here's the surprising part. Some supplements consistently show real benefits. The challenge is separating evidence from marketing. Protein powder doesn't build muscle because it's a supplement. It works because it helps you reach your daily protein needs more conveniently. Creatine helps your muscles quickly regenerate energy during short, intense exercise. Over time, those extra repetitions may contribute to better training results. Caffeine can improve focus and reduce the feeling of effort during exercise. It helps you perform better, but it doesn't directly build muscle. Many people buy more supplements hoping for bigger results, but taking more products rarely compensates for inconsistent habits. Some supplements are valuable because they correct deficiencies. In those cases, they're replacing something your body genuinely needs, not providing extra performance. Marketing often promises dramatic transformations. Scientific studies usually find much smaller improvements, even for supplements that genuinely work. Supplements can become surprisingly expensive. Investing first in quality food often provides much greater value than buying another container of pills or powder. Elite athletes usually focus on training, nutrition, recovery, and sleep before worrying about supplements. Their priorities explain much of their success. Think of supplements as the final few percent, not the first 90%. They matter most after everything underneath is already working well. Before buying another supplement, ask whether your training, nutrition, sleep, and recovery are already consistent. That's usually where the biggest improvements are found. Supplements can help, but they work best when they support strong habits, not replace them. Once you understand that, every purchase becomes a smarter decision instead of a hopeful gamble. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Explixio Health and keep exploring how your body works.